मॉर्निंग दी स्टूडेंट्स ऑफ क्लास 10। आज आप लोग टॉर्च बियरर का एक्सरसाइज जो है क्वेश्चन आंसर बी वाला बता रहे हैं, जो 25 वर्ड वाले। देखिए नंबर फर्स्ट, टू होम डिड द ओल्ड मर्चेंट वांट टू गिव ऑल हिज मनी। बूढ़ा आदमी जो है अपना बूढ़ा व्यापारी पूरा धन किसको देना चाहता था। हाउ डिड ही सॉल्व दिस प्रॉब्लम, वह इस समस्या का समाधान कैसे किया। आंसर, दी ओल्ड मर्चेंट वांटेड, जब डिड को निकालेंगे वांट के जो वांटेड, दी ओल्ड मर्चेंट वांटेड टू गिव ऑल हिज मनी टू वन सन हु प्रूव्ड हिमसेल्फ दैट ही इज वन क्लीवरर बिटवीन द टू, एंड ही सॉल्व दिस प्रॉब्लम टू गिव them ₹1 to each to buy a thing which could fill the whole house. Question number 2, what did the first son do? What was the result? पहला लड़का क्या किया और इसका परिणाम क्या हुआ। Answer, the first son bought a cart of dry grass or hay, and the result was that it was not even proper to cover the floor of the house, and he became hopeless. Question number 3, why did the first son of the old merchant go up to the driver of the bullock cart? व्यापारी का पहला लड़का जो है बैलगाड़ी के चालक के पास क्यों गया। Answer, the first son of the old merchant went up to the driver of the bullock cart to buy the hay within ₹1, so he bargained. Question number 4, what happened when the second son lit the candles? What did his father say to him? लड़के के दूसरा लड़का जब जो है मोमबत्ती जलाया तो क्या हुआ, उसके पिता ने उससे क्या कहा। आंसर, when the second son lit the candles, all the whole house was filled with light, and his father said to him that you proved your true wisdom, you are my worthy son to handle my all money. Question number 5, how did the second son prove that he was more intelligent than his elder brother in the lesson टॉर्च बियरर? दूसरा पुत्र जो है टॉर्च बियरर वाले पाठ में कैसे सिद्ध किया कि वह अपने बड़े भाई से बुद्धिमान था। Answer, the second son proved that he was more intelligent than his elder brother in the lesson टॉर्च बियरर because he bought candles within ₹1, and when he lit these candles, the whole house filled with light, so he proved that he was more intelligent than his elder brother. Question number 6, why were Guru Nanak and Mardana forced to spend the night in the open? गुरु नानक और मर्दाना खुली रात में सोने के लिए क्यों बाध्य हुए। What did नानक say about the rude villagers? नानक इन असभ्य ग्रामीणों के लिए क्या कहा। Answer, Guru Nanak and Mardana were forced to spend the night in the open because the villagers did not give them shelter or place to stay, and they also did not give them food. Nanak said about the rude villagers that may God they stay at the place where they are. Question number 7, how did the people of the first village treat Guru Nanak and Mardana? गुरु नानक और मर्दाना का पहले गांव के लोगों ने कैसा व्यवहार किया। What did नानक say for them? नानक उनके लिए क्या कहा। ये जो 6 और 7 का लगभग एक ही आंसर, लेकिन फिर भी बता देता हूँ, सेम है। The people of the first village treated Guru Nanak and Mardana rudely and inhospitably. Nanak said for them to stay at the same place forever. they should not be scattered any other place. Question number 8. How did the people of the second village treat Guru Nanak and Mardana? दूसरे गांव के लोगों ने गुरु नानक और मर्दाना के साथ कैसा व्यवहार किया? What did Nanak say for them? नानक उनके लिए क्या कहा? The people of the second village treated Guru Nanak and Mardana with hospitably, and as a guest they gave them food and place to stay in the night. Nanak said for them to scattered all over the country. Question number 9. Why did Guru Nanak pray for the people of second village to be scattered throughout the country? गुरु नानक दूसरे गांव वालों के लिए पूरे देश में छिटक जाने के लिए, तितर बितर हो जाने के लिए क्यों प्रार्थना किया? आंसर. Guru Nanak prayed for the people of second village to be scattered throughout the country because they have a light of hospitality and civility, and they are fond of to receiving a guest. Question number 10. Why should good people not stay one place? एक अच्छे आदमी को एक स्थान पर क्यों नहीं रुकना चाहिए? अच्छे लोगों के एक स्थान पर क्यों नहीं रुकना चाहिए? आंसर. Good people should not stay at one place so that goodness may be scattered throughout the other places and people follow this goodness. Question number 11. Who was मर्दाना? मर्दाना कौन था? Why did he get puzzled? वह परेशान क्यों था? मर्दाना was answer. मर्दाना was disciple of Guru Nanak. He got puzzled when he prayed the first villagers to stay one place, and when Guru Nanak prayed the villagers of second village to scattered over the country, throughout the country. Question number 30. Question number 12. How did Guru Nanak teach his pupil Mardana the lesson of greatness of heart? गुरु नानक ने अपने शिष्य मर्दाना को हृदय की महानता का पाठ कैसे पढ़ाया? आंसर. Guru Nanak taught his pupil Mardana the lesson of the greatness of heart, that good people should be scattered throughout the country, while the bad people are rude or inhospitable. People should be remain only one place, and people, the good people, would scatter their goodness and hospitality. Question number 13. What will happen if don't pass the flame of knowledge and skill to other? क्या होगा यदि हम अपने ज्ञान और गुण का मसाल जो है दूसरों के तरफ नहीं पहुंचाएंगे? It will happen if we don't pass the flame of knowledge and skill to others, that we would live in darkness, because knowledge and skills cannot be collected. It is increased by spending, and people will follow the knowledge and skill. There will be good thing in a society, in a country. Thanks. Jai Hind.